Installation of solenoid valves. Remove the side panel of the machine. Loosen the screws and remove the vacuum generator cover. Prepare 8 labels, marked with serial numbers 01 to 04. Internal solenoid valves have 01 to 04 line body. By stretching the line, find the air pipe corresponding to the number 1 solenoid valve. Find the air tube for number 1 solenoid valve. Both air tube valves are labeled 01. The corresponding air tubes of solenoid valve 01 to 04 are labeled accordingly. After labeling, remove all the air tubes of the solenoid valve. The vacuum generator cover and the internal air tube have been completely removed. Take out the solenoid valve that needs to be installed and install it in the lower left corner of the electrical box. Install 3 screws to fix the solenoid valve. There are a total of 8 air tubes removed. 1 air tube behind each of the 4 sensor gauges, for a total of 4. And 4 air tubes on the other side. Pull out the 4 air tubes into the corresponding solenoid valves according to the numbered labels on the tubes. And install the 8 removed air tubes into the solenoid valves according to the serial numbers. Cut the zip ties holding the cable tray. And remove the cable tray. Remove solenoid valve line. Note: retain line marking serial numbers. The removed solenoid wire line moves to the other end of the solenoid valve. Remove the old solenoid valve. The 2 sides of the line in accordance with the serial number on the line corresponding to the connection. After the connection is complete, put the line back to the location of the wire groove. Move the solenoid valve numbered with 5 to 8 to the other end and place it next to the vacuum solenoid valve, with the air tube cut appropriately. Insert air tube into solenoid valve with number 5 to 8. Installation of air pumps. Put the 2 air pumps to be installed inside the machine and put screws to fix the position. Install the air pump feed. Then according to the previously punched holes to install the air pump. The air pump installation is completed. Air pump green labeled connector connection filter. Air tube to air pump. Silencer on the other side of the red labeled exhaust port. The air tube in the center of the air pump connects to the battery drain. After installation, remove the microcomputer line and connect the other side of the air pump line. The yellow one is the first wire, the brown one is the fire wire, the blue one is the 0 wire. The 3 wires are connected. This plug connects to a 22V power source.